Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix CarPlay not working in your Nissan Sentra. First, let's ensure your iPhone is compatible with CarPlay. Check your USB cable for any damage or wear, as a faulty cable is a common culprit. Also, verify that CarPlay is enabled in your iPhone settings and confirm your Nissan Sentra model actually supports CarPlay functionality. These initial checks can often resolve simple connection issues quickly. Next, let's dive into some settings adjustments. Try restarting both your iPhone and your Nissan Sentra's infotainment system. Sometimes a simple reboot is all that's needed. Also, disable and then re-enable Siri on your iPhone, as CarPlay relies on Siri for voice commands. Don't forget to check for any pending software updates on your iPhone, as outdated software can cause compatibility problems. The physical connection is crucial for CarPlay. Always use an Apple-certified USB cable, and if you're having issues, try a different one. Carefully inspect the USB port in your Nissan Sentra for any lint or debris that might be blocking the connection. Similarly, clean your iPhone's Lightning port. Finally, ensure the cable is fully and securely inserted into both your iPhone and the car's USB port. If the problem persists, you might need to take more advanced steps. Consider resetting your Nissan Sentra's infotainment system to its factory settings. You can also try deleting your iPhone from the car's CarPlay settings and then re-adding it. If all else fails, consult your Nissan Sentra owner's manual for specific troubleshooting steps, or consider visiting a Nissan dealership for professional assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.